I'm Josh Lazinski. I am a senior engineer in the Land Development Finance Engineering Department.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Gillen. I'm Director of the Land Development Engineering Department here at Webb.
Hi, I'm Danielle Logston. I'm the Deputy Director of Land Development Engineering here at Webb Associates.
Here at Webb, our department, we're full of engineers and project coordinators that handle all of our big land development clients that have a wide variety of projects, and we really strive to hit our core values of leadership, teamwork, and excellence.
Core 5 Ryder Street came to me when I was just a new PM. I just got my license a few months prior. And so when I got this project, it was a final design industrial project to design and construct a 250,000 square foot warehouse on the corner of Ryder Street and Wilson Avenue in Perris.
Since my first day back at Webb Associates, I've been involved with the entire design process for Wilson 3 through the different agencies and coordinating with the client.
You have about 3 different developers developing industrial buildings along that street and then south of Wilson Avenue, all going in somewhat simultaneously, but also planning for future buildings.
We had regular weekly or bi-weekly meetings with the client. When designing these large-scale projects, it's important to design for the interim and ultimate condition to minimize construction throwaway cost and redesign.
One thing that Danielle is really great at is just being willing to take any challenge that I give to her and put the pieces together and figure it out and move it forward.
The Wilson projects aligned with our mission and vision for the firm by not only providing civil engineering services, but included all service departments.
I've worked with other clients, but this was one of the first ones that I started to develop a relationship with because I was his main point of contact. Again, being a new PM, I had to take on that role of being that point of contact.
So he was their day-to-day point of contact, and what he really shined in is just being responsive. And during construction there was just a lot of utilities everywhere that they kept hitting. So I think that they really appreciated that Josh cared and took the time to help them as quickly as possible.
But once they opened up the ground and actually saw where the existing utilities were, those started to pose probably the biggest issue. We really thought outside the box. We had about two or three different areas that we went out, and what we got are actually pothole locations of those existing utilities to design around them. And once we hit the right location, we adjusted our on-site to adhere to that design.
Josh's leadership really helped because he wasn't afraid to go out to the site and kind of just make sure that they immediately gotten taken care of. And I think without his prompt responses, construction would have just got delayed and delayed and delayed, and then the client would have got madder and madder and madder. We
want to come up with the best solution. Regardless of who's involved or what went wrong, we come together, try to find that solution, and the solution that we try to provide is one that's going to benefit the client the most.
The team really came together to take it from beginning to end, even when there was some staff changes and things were happening. Everybody came together to get them done, which I really appreciated.